Just a beautiful pasta salad and delicious. Enjoy. Good morning. I'm getting ready to make the pasta salad, and these are the ingredients you will need today. Um, any kind of cheese you want. I'm using Mayo Cheddar, whatever type of pasta you so desire. This happens to be low carb pasta from the Gray Low Carb Company, but you don't have to use low carb pasta. You're going to need a red or purple onion, whichever you want to call it, some cucumbers, um, peppers. You don't have to use all these colors, but I will be using all these colors. You're going to need, I use snacking tomatoes and any type of tomatoes you desire, some shredded carrots, some mayonnaise, some salad supreme seasoning, a ranch pack of ranch seasoning, some Zesty Italian, and some black olives. Okay? Okay, this is all the veggies and everything prepared, the cheese, everything diced up, the cooked and drained pasta, and we're going to assemble it. Okay, guys, this is, like I said, the cooked and drained pasta. Now you're just going to put everything in there. We got the black olives, the carrots, the tomatoes. And I'm only making enough, it's only me, so you probably would need more than this. However much you make, you put your desired amount of vegetables in there. Diced up cheese. Like I said, you can choose any cheese you like. Pack of ranch. I'm not going to use the whole pack. I'm probably going to use half this pack. A couple of tablespoons of mayo. And for what I have, that's probably enough. Italian dressing. And you're going to use liberally some salad supreme seasoning. And you're going to mix this really well, guys. And I prefer it cold, but you can definitely eat it once you finish it. But I will leave this overnight. I probably won't eat it until tomorrow. Maybe in a couple of hours. But I do like it better overnight. But it's looking so good, I don't know if I'm going to be able to contain myself. And sometimes I put a little bit black pepper in it too, guys. So, just so. You're aware. Oh, this looks wonderful. And like I say, you want to mix it good, really well. Y'all, look at that. A beautiful pasta salad. It's a nice side dish, a nice summer dish. If you try it, let me know how you like it. Enjoy.